How to remove songs from Spotify history. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through steps on how you can remove songs from Spotify history. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to remove songs from Spotify history, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and open up Spotify. Now, if you head over here to the Recents tab, so tap on the profile, tap on Recents, you'll be able to see your history. You'll see that there is no any option to remove it, right? So if you tap on three dots here, you won't be able to see the remove option. Well, unfortunately, Spotify doesn't give you any option to remove your recent list, whether songs or podcasts, it'll just be there. There is no any direct method of deleting it or removing it, but what you can do is you can simply log out your account from all devices, and for a couple of days you can use some other account, the dummy account or the free account. You can create one easily and you can use it and let your main account be inactive for a couple of days, and when you log in back again, your recent playlist should be deleted. So hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.